Hi guys, it's Alissa Todd. I'm a financial advisor bringing you weekly money tips. One of the areas that we help our clients with is risk management, including life insurance, disability income insurance, and long-term care insurance. And today I want to talk to you about life insurance, which can be a family security blanket in times of need. And I'll go over 7 different reasons for you to obtain life insurance. This is not an all-inclusive list, but these are generally the most common reasons that we see families obtain life insurance. So let's get right into it. 1, you own a home with a mortgage. Can your family afford to pay the monthly mortgage payments if they no longer have your income? So you can use life insurance to ensure that your family can continue staying in the home that they're living in. 2, income replacement. If your family depends on your entire paycheck or a portion of your paycheck, you can consider using life insurance to leave behind some income replacement so your family can continue living their current lifestyle. 3, charitable giving. If you have a specific charity, organization, or cause that really speaks to you, you can consider leaving them a lump sum. 4, college planning. And you can help your child have enough money to pay for college education. And the amount of coverage would depend on the type of college that you want to provide on, whether that's public school or private school. 5, cover your debt. And this is a huge one. If you leave debt behind, it can potentially eat up into the assets that you had intended to go to your heirs, and depending on the type of debt, your family can be on the hook for it. Any joint account holders will continue to be responsible for the unpaid bills. If you're in a community property state, which includes California, your spouse is going to be responsible for any debt incurred during the time of marriage, including credit card debt. And that leads right into my next reason, which are student loans. So federal student loans are discharged upon death. However, private student loans can be, but it really depends on the lender. So, however, any co-signers would remain responsible even upon death. And in community property states, just like with any other debt, your spouse will be responsible for student loans that are incurred during the time of marriage. And 7, planning for the next generation. So in other words, leaving an inheritance, whether that be for your children, grandchildren, nieces, or nephews, whoever you'd like to leave a legacy behind, you can use life insurance to do so. So those are 7 common and very general reasons to obtain life insurance. And with so much at stake for your family, you shouldn't guess at the amount of life insurance that you should have. So work with a trusted financial advisor who can understand your life insurance goals and provide you a recommendation that's right for your personal situation. So if you'd like to get started on your own life insurance, or if you'd like to review your current life insurance, I would be more than happy to do so. And you can schedule time with me using the link in the description box below and set up a phone call or a meeting, and we can get started. And if you have any questions at all about life insurance or about your financial situation in general, I'd be more than happy to answer them as well. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next week for my next money tip.